Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to earn money with graphic design. Okay, let's get into it, guys. As we know that now we can make passive income with digital product, right? So here I would like to recommend you a website to sell your digital product, such as poster or video or maybe template. So guys, for today's tutorial, I'm going to focus on how we can sell our Canva design on this website. Okay, first of all, make sure you have opened this website, link.id. And after you open this website, you need to create an account. And here, guys, I have created my account. This is for my ID. And I'm going to show you how we can sell our digital product right here. We can go to the home and then select the digital product, and here you can add the image preview. Add the preview of your digital product. I'm just going to upload my image. So for example, guys, I'm going to use my Canva design. Wait, I'm going to save this design and I'm going to add the preview to the website. Okay, hold on guys. Okay, I'm going to choose the file, and this is the preview of my design, and then we can add title. I'm going to add, for example, wedding board template. Okay, then add description for your product. This is the design for wedding board. Okay, and you can paste your Canva link. Wait, I'm going to copy my link. Alright, and we can put the link right here. And you can add the price for your design. Oops. Okay, and then I'm just going to set the item quantity to limited. And you can choose the block layout right here. And then you can add your name and phone information, but I'm just going to skip it, and once you're done you can click on add digital. Okay, and now the product has been added to my link, and now the product has been added to my profile, and this is for my product link. And you can share the product link to your social media so you will get more customers. And I'm just going to click on close. Okay guys, and that's all of the tips to earn money with graphic design. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.